In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can export a project on Audacity. So exporting a project on Audacity it's a really simple thing to do in all honesty. So the first thing you'll need to do is obviously first of all record your vocals. Once you have done that, you can add any effects to it by going to Effect and adding like bass and treble, compressor, normalization, and you can obviously reduce noise and things like that. Once you're happy with your project within Audacity and once you have edited it, what you can do is simply come up to File in the top left corner here, click on File, and then you'll see an option for Export. The one we need in today's video will be Export as MP3 because this is probably the most common way to export from Audacity in MP3 format. So once you click on that, what that will do is it will bring this up here. And as you can see, I have already got some projects saved for a couple of videos I've got for my YouTube channel. And all you simply need to do is just make sure all of your settings are the same as mine. So save as type MP3 files, make sure that is obviously saved. You can go ahead and you can change the quality. So my quality is standard and I think this probably works best for me. And you can go ahead and you can experiment a little bit with these if you want. So you can have it medium, standard, extreme or insane. So I just leave that as standard as default. And you can go ahead and you can change the variable speed, so fast, standard, and you can go ahead and experiment with any of these settings you like. Once you're happy, what you can do is click on the save button, and then once you click on the save button, it will save to any folder that you usually save it to. And once you click on save, this will come up here, and all you simply need to do is click on OK. Once you click on OK, as you can see, if I go over to my files, as you can see, the untitled file that I have just saved is right there. So that's how easy it is to export and save a file on Audacity, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.